Welcome back. Now that we've got our pixel delta written, it should be pretty easy to create our dither effect. So let's continue on with that. So in this first step, we took our pixel and we added it to our delta. Okay, and that gave us a new delta. Actually, I'm going to change this to a variable. And then we can just say delta equals delta.add. Okay, so that updates the delta. It adds the this added the pixel we wanted to the delta. Great. Next, we take that delta, okay, and we convert it to a pixel, and we find the closest match in the palette. So this is going to be the, we're going to say let new pixel equals that. And that's what this is going to return. So this method is going to return that new pixel. Okay. And finally, okay, and here's where it gets interesting. Here we added to the delta, we added the pixel we wanted. Now we're going to subtract the pixel we used. Now I could do this a couple of ways. You know what I'm going to do, just to keep it neat, we have an add function. Let's add a subtract function. So let's go back to our, what was that again? That was our pixel. And this is getting so long, I'm thinking maybe I should have made it a separate class. What the heck? Let's do that right now. Let's go new file. It's never too late. Just a Swift file. And we're going to call this pixel delta. And we're going to go in here. Oh, I don't like that. I like it when I can open it in place. Okay, so I'm going to take this current pixel delta class, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to place it in here. Great. And now we are going to add a subtract method. So let's see, we have an add method. Let's add a subtract method. And surprise, surprise, I know, shocking. And finally, there. Very easy. Okay, so that brings us back to our filter. So now we can go delta is equal to delta.subtract. And what do we want to subtract? We want to subtract the new pixel. Okay, so to make this a little easier to read, I'm going to rename this. This is the requested pixel. Okay, so that's the requested pixel. Right, so this is how the filter works. A requested pixel comes in, we add it to the delta. Okay, so the delta now has a summation of, the requested pixel and previous things. Then we find the closest match. We look at that delta and we find the closest match, and that's what this is going to return. Finally, we subtract what we're actually going to do from the delta. I hope that makes sense to you. Let's see it in action. So, action time. Let's hit play. Now this one's got even more pixel processing than before, so we're expecting a small delay when we actually apply this effect. And let's see it in action. Let's go, oh, I forgot one thing. Let's go up to here, and in our list of filters we need to add Dither. Dither 8 filter, run again. there's the dither 8. Apply. Wait for it. Wow, that is so wacky. I like it. So as you can see what it did, we're still using only 8 colors, but we mixed them. We mixed adjacent pixels to get what we wanted. So that's a neat effect. Okay, let's call that a video. For the next one, I want to point out that this now takes a while to actually apply. Matter of fact, I'm going to remove this. Let's delete it. We go apply. Okay, no filters there. Add. One more time. 8 color. Apply. Wait, 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 wait. Done. So this seems like an optimal time to add some kind of an activity indicator, and that's what we'll do in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.